Configuring an expert profile is a great way for you to make yourself visible to the community and to initiate innovative research collaborations. The first thing you need to do is log in or sign up to the Migration Research Hub. When you have signed in, just go to Profile and enter the relevant information in all the fields. If you have multiple roles, no problem. Simply add more roles here. To view your expert profile, click on Experts in the upper menu and you will be able to find it from there, along with a list of your research outputs. If some of your research is missing from the profile, have a look in the database. When you claim an item, like this, it will automatically be added to your expert profile. If your research is missing from both your profile and from the database, then you can submit it manually here. There's a handy tool for quickly inserting metadata related to your publications. Just paste the DOI number without the DOI.org part and press Enter. You will see some of the fields automatically filled in. Feel free to modify and complete the fields before submitting. If your research does not have a DOI, then just select the type of research from this list and enter the information accordingly. The fields with a blue dot are mandatory. Always remember that each piece of research should be associated with at least one taxonomy topic before submitting.